Hello everybody, welcome back to our SSCMA classes. This is Soumya Santosh, a CMA finalist. Today we are going to start our new chapter of prevention of operation and mismanagement. So in this lecture we are going to cover 4 sections, 241, 242, 243 and 244. Along with that we are going to cover few important case studies. So what are we waiting for? Let's start and continue this chapter. So first of all we have to understand what is the meaning of operation here. Okay, so for example, let me give an example that a company was not incurring a profit, which means they were not having inadequate profit, and due to that the company haven't declared the dividend or haven't given the dividend to the shareholder. So is this going to be the operation or mismanagement of the company? No, this will not amount to operation of the company. Okay, so with some case study we'll understand the meaning and what is this section, this operation saying. Okay, so let's go for the definition. First of all, what is operation? The conduct of affair of the company. Just a second. The conduct or affair of the company can be said to be oppressive only when if it is burdensome, if it is harsh or wrongful. Okay, when first of all it is burdensome, harsh or wrongful. ठीक है, operation involve an element of lack of probity and fair dealing to the members. Okay, which means if anything is done wrong for the members of the company, in that case that would amount to operation. Okay, and further it's saying the word oppressive would include intent to defraud. Okay, so it's including defraud, fraud activities or misfeasible. Okay, all other misconduct complaint of should at the lowest involve are visible departure from the standard of fair dealing and violation of the condition of fairly on which every shareholder would trust his money to company is entitled to rely. Okay, then there must be element of lack of pity or fair dealing to the member in the matter of his property right as shareholder. This basically means the right, if anything is done against the right of members, okay, that would be amount to oppressive. But as I have given the example that the company haven't distributed the dividend just because the company wasn't having that much adequate profit. Okay, the company was going in loss, that would not amount to the oppressive. Okay, so let's start with the section 241, which says the application to tribunal for relief in case of operation. Okay, so now we know the meaning of operation. Okay, let's go for it now. In order to claim relief from the operation etc., one or more member who are eligible as per section 244 may complain to the tribunal. So in this section 241, the application is given to whom? To the tribunal. Okay, by the members. And in which member are eligible to make application, we are going to read in section 244. Okay. So the affair of the company, if the affair of the company have been or are being conducted in which manner, there are 3 manner. If the affair of the company are being conducted, okay, have been conducted or are being conducted in a manner which is prejudicial to the interest, which interest? To the public interest. Okay, if the company have been conducting the manners of what? If any of the activities involving prejudicial to the public interest, which is harming, okay, which is giving prejudicial to the public interest, in that case the members can go for application to whom? To the tribunal. Second, the prejudicial or oppressive to the member or members making such application or other member. Again, simply first was saying prejudicial to the public interest, second was saying prejudicial to the members, okay, right, or operation to the members, okay, or any other member. Okay, third is about the prejudicial to the interest of the company. So there are 3 cases where the affair of the company are being conducted in these 3 manner. In that case the members which member that member are going to be, we are going to understand the members who are eligible in section 244. Okay, 244 we are going to read next section. but this section says about that the company have been conducted, ठीक है, activities or is going to be conducted in 3 cases: prejudicial to the interest of the company, ठीक है, prejudicial operation of the member, or prejudicial to the public interest. In that case, the members can go for the application, file application to whom? To the tribunal. Okay. Second, the material change. Okay, if any material change is done, ठीक है, in the company, but we have to understand the material change. What is the things which are going to be included in material change? Okay, okay, the material change has been taken place in the management or control of the company. Okay, first is about the affair of the company are being conducted, okay, in which manner? In 3 manner. Okay, second says about the material change. Now, does material change is this? Let me say it, which part, ठीक है, a change bought by or interest of creditor, debenture holder, any class of shareholder of the company. Does material change means these things? No, material change doesn't include these things, ठीक है. Material change include this part which I am going to say. The material change may take place by the alteration in which? In board of directors. Again, alteration, material change involve the alteration in board of directors, ठीक है, alteration in manager, ठीक है, alteration in ownership of the company share, again alteration in membership of the company, okay, alteration in board of director, ownership, members, manager, membership of the company, or in any other manner whichever whatsoever, ठीक है. But material change do not means this thing where the change is bought up by interest of creditor, where the change is bought up by debenture holder, or where the change is bought up by any class of shareholders of the company. This doesn't mean material change. Hope so this part was also clear to you. Okay. So, application by central government to tribunal. First of all, what I told you in first part, which means there are 2 cases where the application can be sent. Okay, first was by the members, ठीक है, or in case of material change by the members, there were again 3 part. The affair of the companies, ठीक है, which 3 part? Public interest, ठीक, prejudicial to public interest, ठीक है, then operation, mismanagement of the members, ठीक है, third of the prejudicial to the interest of the company. They were the 3 cases, ठीक है. Second is about the material change. Now we know the meaning of material change. Let's go for, there are some cases when the central government can directly apply to tribunal, ठीक है. Let's go for it, ठीक है. CG may itself apply for what? If the CG is of opinion that the affair of the company are being conducted in prejudicial to public interest. Again, if the CG thinks any activities involving prejudicial to the public interest, in that case the CG may itself apply to whom? To the tribunal. Okay, under chapter 16. Hope so this part was also clear. So this was section 241. Let's go for section 244, which says the right to apply section under section 241. Okay, eligibility to make an application. A part says about the member. Okay, there are again 2 parts. Okay, first part is about the members. Okay, members eligible to make the application as follows: is the company, if the company is having share capital, in that case, if the company is having share capital, in that case 100 member or 1/10 of total number of member, or 1 or more members holding not less than 1/10 of the issued share capital, ठीक है, whichever is lower among them, ठीक है, can apply for application to whom? To the tribunal, ठीक है. These member, either 100 members, at least 100 members, or 1/10 of total number of member, or 1 or more member were holding not less than 1/10 of total issued share capital of the company, ठीक है, whichever is lower among them can apply for the tribunal. Okay. Next says about if the company is not having share capital. First is about the companies, if the company is having share capital. Now let's go for the other part which says that the company is not having share capital. In that case, application shall be valid only if it is made by 1/5 of total number of member. Again, if there is no share capital in the company, in that case at least 1/5 of total number of member should be there. Okay, if there is not, if it is less than 1/5 of total number of member, then they cannot apply for application to tribunal. Okay, hope so this part was clear. So first part says about what? First part says about the member can go for to apply application. ठीक है. Second part says about the central government. So the CG may itself make an application to tribunal again, but on what basis? I told you this. Okay, if the CG is of opinion that the affair of the company are being conducted in a manner prejudicial to the public interest. ठीक है. So first of all, 244 says about there are two people can go for apply for tribunal. ठीक है. In case of what? Operation of mismanagement of the company. ठीक है. First were members. ठीक है. 100 member, 1/10. ठीक है, of total number of member, or one or more member who are holding more, not less than 1/10 of, yes, ठीक है. Or the second part says about the if there is no share, the company is not having the share capital, in that case 1/5 of total number of member at least. ठीक है, otherwise no member is going to be eligible for that. ठीक है. Second, the central government, in what case if the company is involved in prejudicial to the interest of whom? Public interest. In that case the CG will directly can apply tribunal the application to do the operation if the company are being involving in such activities. Okay, they can apply, the central government can apply to whom? To the tribunal. Okay, hope so this part was also clear. Okay, let's cover some of the case studies now. First case study says the Rajamundry Electric Supply Corporation versus Nageshwara Rai. Let me say it again. Rajamundry Electric Supply Corporation versus Nageshwara Rai. ठीक है. This case study involved the withdrawal of the consent when the application was actually sent to the tribunal by the members, and few members of the company, those who have given the application, have withdrawn their consent. So can you tell me that the members who have withdrawn their application would be counted again for total number of members who are going to be applicable, who are going to be eligible under section 244, right? Yes. ठीक है. Their consent, the withdrawal of their consent would not affect the eligibility of that members. ठीक है. So let's go for it now. The consent is given by member is recorded at the beginning of proceedings. The period of consent by the shareholder during the course of proceeding does not affect the maintainability of the application. So this means the case study's name was Rajamundry Electric Supply Corporation versus Nageshwara Rao. ठीक है, where the withdrawal of consent of member shareholder is not going to affect the application. ठीक है. Okay, let's go for the second case which involved the relief of for majority. Basically what is happen, the minority get the relief. ठीक है. There is some cases where the majority members can also get relief of operation. ठीक है. So this case study says the Sindri Iron Foundry Private Limited. The Sindri Iron Foundry Private Limited, Radhe Shyam Gupta versus Kamal Oil. ठीक है. The fact and such instance may justify the intervention of tribunal on the application made by majority of member. The tribunal intervention if the majority proves that they are sufficient. If actually the majority members have proved that there is a sufficient ground to constitute operation on majority. Okay, if they can prove that there is actually this is done. ठीक है. In that case they can apply. ठीक है. Thus, where the fact prove harassment of management by forming parallel board, ठीक है, of director or parallel board meeting or parallel AGM or parallel register office, in that case it would be amounted majority operation and majority will be entitled to make application. ठीक है, will be entitled to make application for claiming relief from the operation. So in this case, the Sindri Iron Foundry Private Limited, Radha Shyam Gupta versus Kamal Oil, where the majority can also get relief from operation. Okay, the minority is not only one who can get the relief. Okay, let's go for the other case which I have actually discussed in the earlier, where the company is not getting that profit. Okay, they are going in losses. Okay, they are not having that adequate profit. In that case, the company have not declared the dividend. Okay, if they have not declared the dividend, member have given application that this is oppressive to us, to the members, right? So is it amount to the oppressive? No. Okay, so this case study says the name of Ashoka Betel Nut Company Private Limited versus MK Chandrakanta. Ashoka Bitter Nut Private Company Private Limited versus MK Chandrakanta says that the losses incurred by the company, and if they are not declaring or unable to declare the dividend, okay, unable to give the dividend, declare dividend, in that case that would not be amount to oppressive. Okay, the company is continuously incurring losses, it cannot be regarded as act of oppression and mismanagement. However, if it is proved that due to, first of all what I told you, it would not be oppression, okay, but there are some cases, there are some exception, and the exception says the if it is proved that due to mismanagement by board of directors, again if due to mismanagement of board of directors, the company have been encouraging losses, if the losses are incurred due to what, mismanagement of BOD, if the losses are incurred by the company due to the mismanagement of board of director, in that case that would be oppressive. Okay, it may amount to mismanagement if the tribunal is of opinion that the fact justify making of winding up order. So hope so this part was also clear. Okay, let's go for the other case study which says the dividend is not declared. Okay, earlier was also that but there was not profit. Okay, now the dividend is not declared. Okay, so Thomas Watham versus Kuttanad Rubber Company Limited says the non-declaration of dividend is not an act of oppression. Okay, a decision of poor not to recommend, deviate and to accumulate profit doesn't amount to mismanagement. Okay, so these are the cases where they are saying that this is not going to be concluded as oppressive. Okay, or second part was the withdrawal. Very first was of withdrawal. Okay, withdrawal of the consent by the members would not, they would be counted. Okay, they cannot say that we are not going to give the application to tribunal. Once they have given the application, they would be counted. The number, members for whom the application is sent would be counted, first thing. Okay, second thing was of, let me see, okay, which was of the majority would also get the relief. Okay, third is about the losses incurred by company would not be oppressive, or the declared, if the dividend is not declared by the company. Okay, it's not oppressive. Hope so this part was clear to you. Let's go for the last section of this lecture, which is power of tribunal and consequences of termination or modification of certain agreement. Okay, section 242 says about there are some power the tribunal may exercise, the power vested in it if it is of opinion the company affair have been or being conducted in a manner, which manner, again we know this, okay, the prejudicial to the public interest or prejudicial oppressive to any member or members, or the prejudicial to interest of company. Okay, in this case, or second case was or to the wind up of the company. Again, let me say it, the tribunal may exercise the power. The tribunal may exercise the power vested in it if it is if the tribunal is of opinion the company is conducted such affair in three cases, or there are the activities are done by the company which is fraudulent, and the tribunal will pass an order of winding up. Okay, in this case the tribunal will act. Okay, they are having the power. Okay, and what are the power of the tribunal? Let's go for it now. The regulation of conduct of affair of the company. Okay, they are having the power to regulate the conduct of affair of the company, to purchase the share of any member by any other member. Okay, first of all they have power to regulate the conduct of affair of the company. Second, they have power, the tribunal is having the power to purchase the share of the member, any member, and by any other member also. Okay, second, the purchase share can be reduced. So this means the reduction of value of share, okay, can be done by whom? By tribunal. Fourth is about the restriction on transfer of shares, then restriction on allotment of shares. Okay, apart from that, termination, setting aside, modification of whom? Of managing director, manager, or any other director. and removal of managing director, manager and director. Okay, recovery of undue gains from whom, from these people, can be done by tribunal. Appointment of person can be done, and imposition of cost would be imposed by whom? By definitely tribunal. So these are the power of tribunal. And the company, after that, the company have to file the certified copy to whom? To the registrar. Okay, which copy? We are talking about the certified copy of order of tribunal. Within which day? Within how much days? Within 30 days. Okay, so the company have to file the certified copy of order of tribunal to registrar within 30 days. Okay, now there are the some punishment for the contravention, which says the company would, if they are going for the contravention, in that case the company is going to what? The fine of, was going to be imposed a fine of 1 lakh, minimum 1 lakh, and which could be extended up to rupees 25 lakh. For every officer, fine would, imposition of fine is going to be rupees 25,000, and which could be extended up to rupees 1 lakh. Okay, and imposition of what? Imprisonment for 6 months is going to be imposed. Okay, or these two, both. Okay, so this says about the power. First of all, the tribunal can exercise these power, okay, in 2 cases. First of all, okay, hope so this part was clear. And apart from that, there are some power of the tribunal we have read, and there would be punishment, okay, for the contravention. And one more thing, I'll tell you the consequences I have told you. Okay, so hope so up to this everything was clear. Okay, we'll continue the remaining section in the next lecture. Okay, till then what you have to do, you have to do the revision. Okay, do the writing practice, go for last year, previous year question papers, MTP, RTP. First of all, you have to complete your syllabus, then do the other things. Okay, do the revision on regular basis first of all. Okay, hope so you're getting my point, and we'll meet in our next video. Till then, stay updated. If this video was bit informative for you, then what you have to do, hit a like button, subscribe my channel, and please share this video to those aspirants who are doing CA, CS, CMA. Till then, this is Soumya Santosh. We'll meet in our next video. Toodles, guys.